Pretty little black skin girl. Me want on you in a wifey. Pretty little diamond ring. Boy, Caribbean beauty.
I'm in front of me see you on the corner. Pane rodi hotter than a sauna. Analisa Daniela, me see Carla. Bobo girl, bobo say the water. Send me get a take.
Hi guys, hello, bonjour, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kevin. Wait, hold on. Hey guys, hi, hola, it's your girl Kevin Miller, and I am back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. Before I get into it, I want to say a big thank you to everyone that helped me get to 100 plus subscribers. Excuse the lighting, I'm right in front of the mirror and the sun's playing games. And anyway, thank you so much for getting me to 100 plus subscribers. Big up you lot. I'm so excited. I know it's like a small number, but to me it means a lot. But let's get into this hair real quick. This hair is from the hair's from Heroin or something. I'm gonna link it all down below. Brushed it all out. I haven't done much to it. Obviously I stuck the frontal down, did a few baby hairs, added a few added some makeup to the lace. I did not bleach my knots, I did not tint the lace. This lace already comes this lace already comes as a dark brown, which fits my complexion perfectly. They do a lighter lace for people that's not my complexion. And yeah, that's about it. I just basically brush it out. I'm going to add some water to it or just put it in a ponytail because it's too big for work. I won't be able to see anything and the wind is hella crazy outside. But that's it. That's it. Also, I forgot to mention, me and my girl are going to start making wigs for people, so if you're interested, hit me up in the DMs. We do not supply the hair as of yet, we're just starting out, so we do frontals, we're going to do closure wigs, we're going to do dye, and we can bleach the knots, style it for you, apply the wigs. Obviously it's all going to come in certain prices, so hit me up if you're interested. Please no time wasters in my DMs. If you don't want a wig, don't be asking prices just for the sake of it. Just serious people only. And don't forget to subscribe, click like, comment and share this video with your family and friends. And I I know I've been gone for a minute, but sometimes you go about your mental health first, you know, mental state and all that stuff, and make sure you're doing it, you know, you're doing things in your own time, your own pace. So I'm back and better. So you guys, please expect more frequent videos. I have a broken nail. Don't know why I told you like that, but